we have decreasing membership in our temple. Families whose children are bar mitzvah don't want to go to the expense of continuing their membership in the temple. Bar mitzvah is a puberty rite, not a religious commitment or anything. I see it in my children as well. We're trying to convince my daughter that there should be things happening in the home that reflect their Jewishness. That because that's, I think, is a key place, not what you learn out there. The teachers teach you, but what your family thinks is important becomes important to you. But kids are removed. Yeah, I mean, not kids. I mean, young people are removed from religious life, and it's very threatening, I think, for the Jewish people, because it doesn't take too many generations for them to lose. We see families where it goes quickly, the connection. So that's